Hello everyone, please welcome and join me this step. Today, I'm going to share with you my Hummer H3. I'm upgrading the lights to LED and I'll show you a very easy and simple process how to change it, and once you're going to see at the night time the difference, you're going to like it. I'll list the product information under my description in case if you want to upgrade your Hummer. So let's get started. So this is the original ball, comes in H3 Hummer. When we're going to take it out, since it's been sitting there for a longer period of time, what happens is that you see this rubber, the gasket, that get melt. Or some reason it gets sticky. When you take it out, the seal stays on to the socket, the assembly itself. So what happens, when you're going to install the new LED, it's not going to fit. This is the new LED light. It comes in two pieces like this. This one has a small tabbing underneath, and this one has a cutout. Align it with the cavity, and once you're going to align it, it will go in easily. Then you tighten it nicely. One thing I wanted to share with you, you can do it a couple of ways. You can directly hold LED itself, then you can mount it. If not, you can turn around this way, it opens up just like this, and this is the socket. You can mount the socket. Once the socket is nicely fit, you put it in just like that. It drops in, then you just lock it. So this is the headlight. In order to take the connector out, you squeeze it thumb and a finger, then you pull it out. If you press it, opens the lock. Then you turn it anti-clockwise, just like that. Then you pull the bulb out. This side is a bigger notch, smaller, smaller. LED, bigger, smaller, smaller. To the bigger notch, that goes to the bigger side. So we're going to insert it in, just like this. Once it's seated, put it in. Make sure that it stays, the bracket is really straight. And now if we look in the front, the LED is straight. The LED, it has to be straight like this, not like this. This is the adapter. So we're going to put it in just like this and press it in. This is the extra wiring. I'm going to put the tie up here so it's not going to move around. So this is the tip I wanted to share with you. When you're taking light bulb and if you see there is a ring right there, what happens is it got melted and it's stuck to the body frame. If you're doing it first time, then you got a problem because you wouldn't know that this one has to come out. Just be careful. If it's there, just remove it prior to installation. This one goes in here. So this is the passenger side. Install it the same way I did it on the driver's side. This is a broad daylight. The driver's side light, that is a LED light. On the left side, that's the original OEM light. And look at how bright the LED light is. LED upgrade has been completed. It brings the outlook of my Hummer. Please check it out the description for the part number, what I have used it. And if you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy stuff. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye. They are really bright. I really like it. It's a good upgrade. This is at a night time. If we look at the Hummer light, this is how the Hummer looks at night time. So bright, very bright light. This is low beam. This is how the high beam looks. Very bright.